Hi y'all, I just want to show y'all what all they got at the Dollar Tree as far as balloons go. So I'm gonna start with this one on the left here. It's just too cute. This is supposed to be a taco and it's called Taco Bout Love. Okay. These are $1.50 now. Everything's going up. So it's no longer $1.25, which is the new Dollar Tree price. Now it's $1.50 for balloons. And everything else in there is $1.50 now. So this one here is I don't know if this is a skunk or a puppy. It looks like a puppy. It's called You Stole My Heart. Ah, how cute. And then if you turn it around, it's the same thing on the other side. I accidentally got two of these. This is called Happy Valentine's Day. And on the back, it's like a light pink and it got some red, blue, yellow, green in there. This one is very, very basic though. But it got a little pink and gold speckles all over the place on the side. Happy Valentine's Day. This one is a cute one. This one has the Disney princesses. Let me see. Cinderella, Mulan, Sleeping Beauty, Moana, Ariel, Jasmine, Snow White, Belle, and I think this one is Tiana, Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. That one was good. I seen that one. That one was really cute. So this was really cute. All the Disney princesses. This one has, I forgot what his name. I think his name is Yoda from Star Wars. There is room in my pod for you. Be my Valentine. Very cute. And on the back, it's the same thing. It's like he's in a little, I don't know what the hell that is, a little capsule or something. And then we have the Paw Patrol, and they have different pattern hearts all around it. And it has the Paw Patrol thingy at the bottom there. And once again, all of these are $1.50 each. These are really, really cute. So y'all, there it is. I got like, these are cute though. So y'all, once again, y'all do not wait. If y'all could get out to the Dollar Tree tonight to get some of these balloons for Valentine's Day, go tonight. They open till 10 o'clock p.m. Or get there early first thing tomorrow morning, because these things are going to be going fast tomorrow. So until next time, thanks for watching.